Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about objects in JavaScript. What exactly are objects in JavaScript that we are going to discussing today. Object is basically a collection of key and value value pair, or we can able to say properties. What exactly this properties and basically means a property. If you see Java, some other languages, then the properties become a key and value pair combination. Okay, whenever you want the data something to capture, or that time we can able to use these particular properties. Okay, the similar format of JavaScript also there is a objects. That objects also similar to the properties, like we can able to create a key and value pair combination. How the syntax will be presented. Say let person is one variable you can able to imagine, and then there is a curly braces, and here we can able to say and first name colon, then colon is the one, and you can able to single quotation Lokesh, and the comma separated for the second key value. Okay, sec sorry last name. Okay, the colon again single quotation Gorantla, again single quotation. How many values you want, that many values you can able to use it. Then how we can able to access this, we'll see for some example here now. Okay, and also we can see some couple of things, and here I'm going to write objects demo.js. Okay, and you can able to see now let person is my object and then equal, and I'm going to make it here first name colon, and then I'm going to mention for Lokesh, comma, and second name or last name colon, and again I'm going to mention for Gorantla. Okay, now I want to capture this one. How we can able to capture? Console.log, and then I'm going to specify here is person is my variable. Okay, inside the person I have for two variables, and I can able to specify the square braces, and here I can able to see after square braces if I indicate for double quotation, then it will provide for what are the values I have inside the person. It will provide me the value, then I'm going to take for my first value. Okay, I'm saving now. Okay, now I'll open for my terminal. Here I will mention for node space dot slash and objects tab js. Okay, dot js, enter. See Lokesh is printed here now. Okay, can I able to access only for this type? No, we have another type also. How we can able to, like I can remove all of this, then can use for dot. See now the last name also displaying. Now we can able to specify here, and again I'm going to use for after saving, again I'm going to hit for the same. See location Gorantla, it printed. Okay, can I able to access only, or it can I add some property value inside this particular person? Yes, we can able to insert a value inside to that particular property also. Okay, how we can able to insert? Now inserting purpose, you can able to see person. Okay, and you can able to specify for anything. Age I'm going to specify age for the property. Okay, I'm going to specify for 26. Okay, now in this 26 I want to print whether that particular person is printed or not. Okay, console.log, and then I'm going to use for person and dot age. Okay, now I want to print for age. Okay, now you can see here 26 is printed because it is added for that particular percent object. Okay, can I add for this one? No. Here how we are able to read, right? Similar format we can able to attach also. Okay, Now person dot age equal to 26 semicolon, and again you can see if I run again, sorry, see again I can able to do it. Okay. If I want to update something existing value, then I can able to update. Okay. How we can able to update? Here I'll not comment this one. Okay. Now again I'm going to use for person dot age equal to 30. Okay. Now 30. Okay. I want to print again my value age for here. See now first 26, after that it will come for 30. See 30 also we can able to update. Can I able to delete something inside the property? Yes, you can able to define, you can able to delete any property value. Then if I delete, if I want to access that value, then what is the response? It is become a undefined. It become a undefined. Okay. How undefined will comes to the picture. Okay. Now I have added 26 and I am printing for here. Okay, and 30 updated. 30 I'll will do for on the 30 will print. Okay, and then I will delete the particular person. Okay, age. Okay, how we can able to delete is the functionality, and there is a person dot age is the thing. Okay, now I'm going to do for console dot log. Again I'm going to accessing for this particular person age. Okay, and here the result will become a undefined. Okay, result become a undefined. Now see undefined is the my result. Okay, can I do only this all the things? I want to print all the values which is things are presented inside that. How we can able to get it? Means now I don't want to delete now. Okay, every time we are using for single value to get it, but I don't want to get the single value. I want to get for all the values. What all the things are presented inside my person object, all the values I want to print. Then we can able to use for loop. For each loop we can able to say, by using that we can able to do it. We can able to call it as a normally and for and in loop we can able to say for and in loop. By using this we can able to rotate it. How means for what is the one we need to use? Let a in person. Okay, what are the things are we have that person table that we can able to use it. Console dot log, and then we can able to provide for a. Okay, now this particular person it can able to get it. Now see first name last name age we are able to get it, but we are able to get for first name last name age. Where is the names? Lokesh Gorantla and 30. Where is that? How we can able to get it? Then we can able to use it here another small logic, because we are going to getting from person table, right? Person object, and we can able to specify like this inside the square base. Now if you run now, see Lokesh Gorantla 30 is there, but I want to see for first name last name what that also things also. Then how we can able to means here we can able to use it. Now just now we saw, right? But both the things I need to add. Okay. Then here a uh, label name plus plus, and we can able to specify another space, and again here I can able to specify uh, label value. Okay, now if we run now, see, label name first name, label value Lokesh, and label name is this one, value is Gorantla, age and 30. Like this we can able to print it. Okay, can we able to only like now we saw about that person table, all the values reading and everything we read, right? But can I do for function creation inside my object? Yes, we can able to. What is the function we can able to create? See, my last class we can able to see the function creations, right? This is a function creation, and we can able to use the function add a comma b and return a plus b, and we can able to provide that one and we can able to read it. Then how we can able to do it? We can able to create a function inside a object and then we can able to access that object. That is another opportunity. Okay, how we can able to create? Now here I'll comment this all the things. Okay, I'll copy here and we'll come back down, and here we'll create for another way. Okay, now I'm going to specify here age 30 and comma, then I'm going to create for here full name, colon, and curly brace I'm going to specify curly brace, but function, right? We need to use the function, and you can able to specify here return full. Okay, and I need to access for Lokesh and this one, right? This is the indication of current object class properties. Okay, dot first name. Okay, and plus spaces, and again plus, again we can able to this dot last name and semicolon. Okay, now like this we can able to create it. Okay, expected a function call. Yeah, sorry. Okay, this is my function, and inside my return type is this is the one. Okay, I need to call this particular full name. Okay, I want to call this function name. Then how we can able to get it? And here cons console.log, and then we can able to specify person, and then we can able to use here full name. Okay, full name is the property. Now you can see what exactly what will happen. See, but here you can see function null, full is there, function is full, there is a function is full. Okay, then you can able to specify this function with the braces. Okay, now you can come back and run here. Now see Lokesh Gorantla, because it is saying that the function it is presented for full is the one, this is the one. It will if you without braces, if you without these braces, if you are calling this particular brace, it will come. This is the name of the function. Okay, if you want inside the values you want to print, then you need to use for function calling type. Okay, then only that particular function will return for any kind of values. Okay, like this you can able to create n number of the function with the return type we provided. Okay, even you can able to create for function without any return type. How to create without any return type? Then comma, and here we can able to say uh, company name colon and the function and company. and this is my function. I'm curly braces, console dot a log, and then I'm going to specify here Wipro. Okay, now I want to call this particular function. Then you can able to see person dot log, sorry, person dot, we are going to use for company and the function type of things, and semicolon. Now run. Sorry, company name, the variable we need to call it, right? Hmm. And CV Pro is coming. Okay, because here is a console.log is there, that's why we are able to call for directly company name, that variable. Okay, that's why we can able to, by using the key we can able to do it. If you call by that inside the function name, that is not possible. Just now we saw, right? Company is not in a function. Okay, that's why it is showing some error. Okay, and then we can able to call it for this particular company name by using that key, and I'm able to get for Wipro is the name of the company. Okay, like this we can able to create n number of functions inside the object, and we can able to create. Okay, this is a simple example. You can practice more and more, then we can able to understand for complete object how it works in a JavaScript. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.